name is Lance Hatch. I'm the superintendent at Iron County School District, and today we are touring the final projects that we're working on from the 2021 bond. It's been a long process to get these projects done, but constantly working since the bond passed in 2021, and we're excited about the progress. Right now we're at East Elementary. So impressed with the outstanding work done by the architectural team as well as the contractors, Hughes Contracting, and been able to tour the classrooms. Excited to see cabinets in the classrooms. The walls are painted. It looks like a school, and it's just fun to see it come together. The kids deserve a safe place to go to school, and I'm so excited that soon they'll be able to step into their new school.
On a typical day, I have anywhere from 36 to 61 people on the project at a time. Construction's construction, and I love it, and I've done it my whole life, but meeting new people and making dates and working together as a team, that's what it's all about.
Like today, we're pouring a bench, which is a lot of fun because it's like not just straight flat work, it's something a little bit more, a little fancier.
We're at the Parowan High School field house. We're currently under construction here, getting some of our sidewalks, our ADA ramps and steps put in on the exterior. Working on the inside with getting going on some finished work with getting ceilings going, and some of our kitchen equipment, our hoods and different things, getting moving to get that installation taken care of. This field house will have multiple gym courts in it, a main gym and then some cross courts. It'll also be set up for volleyball, pickleball, some different things that both the schools and the community can use. That's kind of the intent of the facility, is to be able to use it for our high school and our elementary school, as well as community use as well. We're running on a pretty good timeline. Big D has kept the project moving, and we're in really good shape to open for the beginning of this next school year.
East Elementary is scheduled to be completed and ready to move into in the fall of 2026. So not next school year, but the following school year, we'll start the school year out here in the new building.
This particular facility is a metal structure, and so the installation or the construction of a metal structure this size goes, significantly quicker than, say, our East Elementary. That's, approximately 80,000 square feet of tilt construction. There's just a lot larger process, larger footprint. More space that you've got to take up, as well as sometimes smaller work sites. So our laydown areas, our construction areas are a little tighter. And so the process on a full elementary school obviously takes, this day and age, 2.5 to 3 years to construct.
The one thing we want to make sure that we communicate clearly is our appreciation to the community, because in 2021 we ran that bond, and the majority of our county supported the school district in that bond. These projects are not possible without that support.